Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get big pets in Kindergarten 2 game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before we start, you need to know that getting a big pet is not guaranteed every time. Big pets are rare versions of normal pets, so you will need some luck and patience if you want to get one. And the best way to increase your chances is by trying to get pets during the special events or limited time updates. Events are a great time to hunt for rare pets because they often introduce new pet pools and better opportunities to get valuable pets. Another good strategy is to use items for or methods that can give you multiple pet chances. For example, guys, you can use gears like Harp. It can spawn multiple random pets at once, giving you more opportunities to get a rare size variant. I'm going to show you where you can get the Harp. Go to the gear and you can purchase the Harp right here. Okay. And you can also try doing this during the night because some players have reported better results when hunting rare pet variants during special conditions. If you have access to a private server, that can also make the process easier. A private server lets you focus on getting pets without worrying about other players interfering with your garden or taking your resources. But remember, big pets are still based on RNG, which means you might not get one immediately. You may need to repeat the process many times before you finally get a big pet. So the best strategy is use pet spawning method, try during events or special conditions, repeat until you get lucky. And if you are extremely lucky, you might even get other rare variants like huge or mega pets. So keep farming, keep rolling, and don't give up until you get the big pet you want. Okay guys, and that's all about the Big Pet in Kindergarten 2 game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!